Zimbabwe's prominent opposition figure Nelson Chamisa strongly criticized President Emmerson Mnangagwa for the delayed declaration of the El Nino-induced drought as a state of disaster. The drought wreaked havoc on crops and pastures during the 2023-2024 rainy season. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. On Wednesday, 3rd April, President Emmerson Mnangagwa declared a state of disaster and urgently appealed for international assistance, stating that Zimbabwe needs more than $2 billion to mitigate the impending famine. Chamisa contends that recognizing a meteorological drought at the tail end of the summer season reflects a significant leadership drought within the country. In today's news, Chamisa says that Zimbabwe's leadership drought is worse than famine. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.